going to show you today how to blur a face in a video. It's super simple and effective. Let's jump in. So in CapCut, I have a video already imported, and I don't want to show this child's face in my video, so I want to blur it. Now, if you click on the video and have it highlighted, on the bottom you'll see Effects. Click on Effects, and you want to go to Body Effects. Now simply search for the word face. What you're looking for is Face Mosaic, and I use this a lot, so I'm actually going to save it as a favorite. And by doing that, I would just hold down that first option, the Face Mosaic, and it should save it to my favorites. Okay, I added it to my favorites, and now I'm going to apply it to my video so that you can't see this child's face. It works better if your video has clear faces. If you have a video with a bunch of different people in the background, it's not going to work as well. So if your subject in your video is very clear and in front of the camera and you can clearly see that it's their face, this feature works really well. If I go back into it, I just wanted to show you, if you click on it again, if you click on those little toggle buttons over the icon, you can even change the range and the size to make it more intense. I hope you found this helpful.